The identity theft, for me personally, occurred from a trusted individual. That person knew my personal information, knew my daughter's personal information, and when that relationship with that person ended, that's when the identity theft began. I would try to call a company and say, "This isn't me," but then the next day I'd get 3 other letters from the same company. With LifeLock, I was confident, I was comfortable, I had great service. Jeff, my identity restoration specialist, was amazing to work with. He knew where the information needed to go, where it was coming from, who to speak with, and kind of fast track everything to a resolution. Feeling protected is hard. I want experts on my side.